had to generate a continuous airstream for their comparative tests. As bicycle manufacturers, though, they didn't need to look far for a solution. Mounted on the handlebars of a moving bicycle, the wheel enabled them to compare the performance of each curved profile with the known characteristics of the control plate and thus identify the most favourable shape of wing. A simple but laborious process.
Good luck, old boy.
Okay.
In time, the Wright brothers could predict the amount of lift produced by around 200 different wing sections at any angle of attack. Their findings furnished the first reliable data on the principal laws of aerodynamics. Kitty Hawk, the world's first airfield. In the very first trials, in which Wilbur and Orville took turns at the controls, the glider flew for hundreds of meters. Their calculations had been correct. The glider's controls worked exactly as the brothers had anticipated. On the very same day, the brothers undertook 2 more flights. The longest lasted nearly a minute, and the plane covered a distance of over 260 meters. In the years that followed, the Wrights improved their now patented flyer and developed a plane they could keep in the air almost indefinitely. In 1908, Orville and Wilbur travelled to Europe to present their flying machine to an amazed public. Only then did the world fully realise that these 2 enthusiasts from Dayton, Ohio, had made man's age-old dream of flying come true. The Wrights' greatest achievement lay in discovering how to steer a plane in the air. With few modifications, the flight control methods they devised are still used today. Pitching, turning the plane about its lateral axis, was performed in Flyer 1 by extending the forward elevator. Modern aircraft have the elevator at the tail. For rolling, turning about the longitudinal axis, the Wrights designed a foot-operated mechanism for twisting or warping the wings in flight. And yawing, or turning the plane about its vertical axis, was performed by operating a rudder at the rear. In practice, the 3 manoeuvres rarely occur in isolation. To maintain flight stability, a plane generally has to bank in order to change direction.